How to make a photo collage on iPhone without any apps. So if you want to make a photo collage on iPhone without any apps, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your Shortcuts application. After opening your Shortcuts, you'll have a gallery option which will be on the bottom. Once you tap on the gallery, this section lets you explore ready-made automations and we'll use it to find the photo collage tool. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type photo grid. Once it appears, you need to tap on the plus icon at the top right of that shortcut to add it to your library. Once you're done, you need to tap on the X, which will be on the right side, to close the search. Then go to the library, which will be in the bottom left. Here you'll see the photo grid listed among your shortcuts. Now go ahead and tap on the photo grid option. Once you tap on the photo grid, select the photos you want to include in your collage. Go with the tick. Once done, you can pick anywhere from 2 to around 10 or even more. When you're done, tap on the check mark and your image will be created. You can go with the drop down which will be in the top and then you can save to photos. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.